Hey everyone, I'm Corey, and this is the Northwoods, where we're showing you that freedom is an adventure. And in today's video, we've got 5 killer upgrades for RVing. If you own an RV, you know there's always something that you want to upgrade, and we've done our share of them. Upgrades is what makes your RV more enjoyable and makes it a good fit for the way that you RV. So we wanted to share the 5 DIY upgrades that's made RVing more enjoyable for us. So let's jump right into the list. Our first item's actually on our truck to help with towing our RV, and that's the AirLift Airbag suspension system on my F-250 Super Duty. My weight distribution hitch does an awesome job at leveling out the truck, but on those windy days we still had a little bit of sway in the rear end of our tow vehicle. I use the airbag system in the truck to help firm up the rear suspension and help to control sway in the rear of the vehicle while we're towing. The airbag system can be installed with easy tools and can make a huge difference whether you're towing a travel trailer or fifth wheel. It's well worth the cost for the peace of mind and extra safety while towing. Next on the list, we have the BAL Hide-A-Spare. When we first got our RV, the spare tire was stored in the compartment under the bed, taking up valuable space that could be used for other items. We used a bumper mount for a couple years, but we wanted to add a full width rack to the rear of our RV, and the Hide-A-Spare let us mount the tire to the underbelly of our trailer. The Hide-A-Spare is an underslung tire carrier that mounts to the frame of your RV, and they have models for both enclosed and open underbellies. It helps by keeping the tire out of the way, while protected from the sun, but easily accessible when needed. This was a great addition for us as it freed up valuable space on both our rear bumper and our storage space. Next on the list, we have the Reese 4,000-pound tongue jack. The original tongue jack that was installed on our RV was an Atwood, and over the years was just getting slower and slower with age. Looking at the different models of electric jacks for RVs, the one thing I really liked about this model is that it had an adjustable drop foot. This jack had everything we were looking for, plus it had an adjustable level on the top of it that makes it super easy to get level when you're unhooking. The next item was our Mopeka tank sensors from AP Products. These sensors attach to the bottom of your propane tank with magnets and allows you to check the levels of your tanks from either the control panel inside your RV or through a Bluetooth connection on your phone. We even added the wireless gateway, so as long as we have an internet connection in our RV, all we have to do is ask Alexa what our propane levels are, as long as we have an internet connection. Alexa, ask Tank Check the levels of my tanks.
You have 2 sensors. Salem Tank 2 is at 0%, measured 2 minutes ago, and Salem Tank 1 is at 0%, measured 2 minutes ago.
Item 5 is the Valterra hose carrier. One of the things we found while storing our sewer hose inside of the bumper of our RV is that the better quality hoses sometimes like to get stuck inside of the bumper because it's such a tight fit, and the inside of the bumper was getting rusty. Also, there wasn't enough room inside the bumper to store the elbow or the sewer connection. We had to put those inside totes inside of our storage compartments. The Valterra hose carrier is a 5-inch tube that's plenty big enough to hold well over 20 foot of sewer hose, along with all of our elbows and connections that we need for a full hookup. It makes hooking up to the sewer connection quick and easy, and it even has a little spot where you can put a clip or a padlock on it to keep the door from opening while in travel. Doing upgrades and making it your own is what makes your truck and RV more enjoyable for the way that you want to travel. And if you're interested in any of these products you've seen today and much more, there's links in the description down below. So if you liked the video today, give it a thumbs up and comment below. I'd like to hear what RV upgrades you're planning to do and whether or not any of these products might be a good fit for you. So until next time, if we don't catch you on the road, we'll see you in the next video.